Welcome to Teacher Claire Online Tutorial. How are you today? That's great. Today we will be learning about animals that lives on water. Are you ready, kids? Great. Come on, let's go. This is a turtle. Again, kids. Turtle. Very good. This is a seahorse. Again, kids. Very good. It is a seahorse. Wow, what is this? It is a jellyfish. Again, kids. Very good. It's a jellyfish. Wow! This is a dolphin. What is this again? Very good. Dolphin. This is a squid. Again, children, what is this? Squid. Very good. Wow, what is this? It is an orca. Again, children, what is this? Very good. It's an orca. Wow! It's like a star. What is this? Oh, it's a starfish. Again, children, what is this? Very good. It's a starfish. What is this? Oh, it's a shark. Again, what is this, children? Very good. It's a shark. Ooh. What animal is this? It's a fish. Again, children, what is this? Correct. Fish. What animal is this? Correct. It's a whale. Again? Whale. What animal is this? It is an octopus. Again, children, what animal is this? Very good. Octopus. we'll learn about the different kind of animals that live on water. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it to your friends so that they can also learn about the different animals that lives on water. Again, this is Teacher Claire, and I want to say thank you and see you again on our next online tutorial. Bye, kids!